Hey my you guys, I'm back with another video. This video is not a wig tutorial nor a wig review. This is me trying to show you guys how I do the fox locks individual crochet. You need the hair, you need the crochet little hook thing right here, and you put that through the part. You guys see what I'm doing, and you hook the hair on. It's like a little loop at the top, and you hook that on and pull it through, and then you tie a little knot. Hold up, I'm gonna tie a little knot right now. I'm showing y'all, but you put her through, you know, tie a little knot, and then yeah, I am going to show you guys how I extend it, because the hair that my client got was an 18-inch, and I'm showing you guys now. You go to the end or whatever, and then you do the same thing what you did to the top. You pull the little crochet hook through the hair at the bottom, and then you take the other hair at the top with the little loop. I'm finna show you guys. Right now, you see the little loop, and then you pull it through, then you tie a little knot like that. And then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna talk about my background, y'all. It's just a lot going on in my background, but I need to hurry up and get this video out. So yeah, but you tie a knot, and I am going to show you guys how you blend everything out so it won't, because you will have a little piece of hair. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Like, y'all see the little piece of hair right there? I don't know if I showed y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how you know, wrap that around the piece or whatever. So yeah. Now you guys, I'm showing you guys again how you extend a lock. Like I said before, you just hooked it through. You know, I'm gonna put it in slow motion for you. Put it in slow motion. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for y'all so y'all can actually look.
I've been wanting something. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. Something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving.
Okay, well, you dogs, now it's time to blend the natural hair with the lock. What you do is untwist the lock just a little bit and just wrap it around. Just wrap the dreadlock around the natural hair. Unravel, twist, unravel, untwist. If that makes sense.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Now it's time to focus on the extended part. I finished the top. I crochet everything in. Now all you do is comb out that little piece of hair that was sticking out of the lock, and you just wrap that piece around the knot, and you just wrap it downwards, and it will be seamless. Like, you wouldn't know it is no lock or nothing. Like, I'm like, just watch, y'all. I'm going to show you guys one more time. I'm showing you guys the piece that that I show you guys how to lock it, attach the other lock to the first lock. You comb it out, and then you wrap around the knot downwards. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. Something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. Now where you guys, this is the final look. I am done. I've retwisted all of them. This is the finished look. Bomb as hell, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Mwah.